Compression is a lot like a bra. Now follow me now, go with me. It's not there to change what's already there. It's there to support what's already there. This is J.O.N, Grammy Award-winning producer and musical director of the 85 South Show. And this is No Presets. It's a show where I actually teach you how to use your plugins on your computer. And today we'll be using the Waves LA-2, which is an LA-2A. And if you just understand two knobs, your vocals will instantly sound smoother and you'll have more control. One of the reasons I love this plugin is the simplicity behind it. It only has mainly two knobs, and that's the peak reduction and that's the gain. So peak reduction works like a threshold knob on a regular compressor. The more you turn it up, the more it controls the loud parts. And gain is simple as well. Once the peak reduction enacts and starts to affect the dynamic signal, the gain allows you to bring it back up to its rightful place.
Water rising up to my nose and fire burning under my toes. Where do I go?
So
where do I go?
I start with the peak reduction every time, and I'm just looking to get 1 to 3 dB of gain reduction.
And my problems want me to drown. I just don't know. I just don't know. I just don't know.
You notice at 5 it was too much.
I try to stay afloat. 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 I try to stay.
It gave us 1 to 2, sometimes 3 dB. That's a sweet spot for me. Like, I like how that sounds. It still sounds natural. It's not over compressed, but it's definitely controlled, right? And honestly, that's what this is about. Compression is a lot like a bra. Now follow me now, go with me. It's not there to change what's already there. It's there to support what's already there. Control movement. Keep everything sitting where it should. If there's no support, things bounce all over the place. Too much support, now it's uncomfortable and squashed. The goal is balance. With that analogy in mind, let's review. Peak reduction is how much support you're adding to the signal. Too much support, it sounds squashed and lifeless. Too little support, the vocals are all over the place. And the LA-2A isn't about squeezing, like some compressors are. It's about support. It's about balance. And gain lifts things back into place. I don't know, that's a pretty good analogy if I would say so myself. I don't know, but you let me in the comments. Let me know, please. Let's do some more experimenting. Let's put it on full reset, all right? And as we listen, I'm gonna use my ears and make adjustments, okay?
Water rising up to my nose and fire burning under my toes. Where do I go? Where do I go? Where do I go? Oh, drama's trying to bring me down and my problems want me to drown.
Now it sounds squished. That's too much support.
I just don't know. I just don't know. So
let's bring it back a little bit. The sweet spot.
I try to stay afloat. I try to stay afloat. I try to stay afloat. I try to stay.
It feels good. I'm in the sweet spot of the gain reduction. So now I'm listening for the gain if I need to adjust it at all.
Water rising up to my nose and fire burning under my toes. Where do I go? Where do I go? Where do I go? Oh, drama's trying to bring me down and my problems want me to drown.
I think that's good.
I just don't know.
So in this case, I wouldn't adjust the gain at all. I think it feels and sounds good. It's not over compressing. I'm in that -1 to 3 dB sweet spot, and it feels good.
Water rising up to my nose and fire burning under my toes. Where do I go? Where do I go? Where do I go? Oh,
no compression.
Drama's trying to bring me down and my problems want me to drown. I just don't know. I just don't know. I just don't know. So I try to stay afloat. 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 I try to stay.
So simple. It's so simple. And honestly, use your ears. Your ears will guide you. Trust your ears. So we did the hook. Let's do the verse. Do a full resets, and again, start with peak reduction, and go from there.
Pockets on empty, Chevy is too. But that don't matter cause my Chevy can't move. I got a fucking blown engine and my rent is past due. Yeah, it's late, like the period of that chick I last screwed. Fuck was I thinking? Didn't proceed with caution. What the fuck was I drinking? Got no money for abortion. This is just a portrait of a portion of my problem. Still I'm trying to hold on, like an orphan to a mama. Fresh up out of college, all I make is $10. Fuck is a degree, swear I was better off without it. Life is full of shit.
That feels good.
Therefore my colonic is this pad full of these
We in the sweet
melodic
spot.
notes I've jotted, want it bad. And they say it can't happen.
The gain sounds
You live
good.
in Atlanta, bitch,
So I did have to adjust the
everybody
gain in
has it.
this
So I do this for my homies that are absent. When that money call, I pray I recognize the accent. Damn it, if I don't, that mean I jeopardize my family. Praying that a nigga don't end up just like my
You can
dad.
hear the support.
Hate him cause he left me. Love him cause he had me. Paying student loans to this bitch that go by sadly. Sadly, I don't know.
But because we didn't over compress it, it still sounds natural. All right, so quick review. Peak reduction is like threshold on a regular compressor. It determines how much support we're adding or not adding to the vocal. And support, I mean compression. The more you turn to the right, the more compression is going to be in the signal. The more you turn left, less compression is added. And then gain, which happens after the compression, allows you to make up the gain taken out from the dynamics being compressed. 1 to 3 dB is an appropriate amount of gain reduction. Anything over 5 is going to sound over compressed.
Pockets on empty, Chevy is too. But that don't matter cause my Chevy can't move. I got a fucking blown engine and my rent is past due. Yeah, it's late, like the period of that chick I last screwed. Fuck was I thinking? Didn't proceed with caution. What the fuck was I drinking? Got no money for abortion. This is just a portrait
You know, it's
of
not
a portion
squash,
of my problem. Still I'm
but
trying to
supported.
hold on, like an orphan to a mama. Fresh up out of college, all I make is $10. Fuck is a degree, swear I was better
not changing
off
what's
without
there.
it. Life is full of shit.
Support.
Therefore my colonic is this pad full of these melodic notes I've jotted, want it bad. And they say it can't happen cause you live in Atlanta where everybody's rapping. But I survived cancer, bitch, and everybody hasn't. So I do this for my homies that are absent. When that money call, I pray I recognize the accent. Damn it, if I don't, that mean I jeopardize my family. Praying that a nigga don't end up just like my dad.
Yo, man. Again, one of the most simple but effective plugins, pieces of gear that you can have in any studio. I use this in every session. So it was only fitting that this was the first plug-in on the first episode of the show. So next episode, let's stay in the compressor lane and let's talk about the 1176. We'll break that down, show you how to use it. No presets. I hope this has helped you. Please let me know in the comments below. New videos air Monday. Tap in. Peace.